I'm going to do a compare and contrast between where to pour out of a cup. When you're filling up the cups, I'm going to do it identical, and then so the same colors, same cups, but I'm going to pour out of the different sides. So to see whether I pour down this side or that side. I'm pretty excited to do this, so let's go ahead and get a base layer down so that can settle, and then we'll fill up our cups, and then we'll pour, and we'll see the differences between both of them. All right, here we go. So now that we have our cups poured, which, let you see if I can grab them. Ah, screw it. Here we go. All right. Here are the cups. So, going down. So the question is whether to pour here or pour here, on this side or this side. So we're going to do one of each. One cup is going to pour from here, and one cup is going to pour from here, and we're going to compare and contrast how they look before and after. So, well, obviously here's the before. I'm going to move the second cup away. The first one is going to be perpendicular from where you poured. So since I poured here into the cup here, I'm going to pour out of the cup here. I'm going to rotate my hand a little bit. Here we go. All right, now we're pouring out of the other side of the cup. So where we poured into the cup, I'm going to pour on the other side. In here, out here. Keep it nice and even. Let's see what happens. Here we go. We have our two pieces here, and I'll sit and watch them dry for a bit, come back and check on them every probably 15 to 30 minutes, make sure it's drying level, and we'll be back. It's been a few days since the pours, and now these are completely dry. This is the first one that we did, and this is the second pour that we did. I'm hoping that there's enough detail in here where you can see. This first one that we did, the colors are a little bit concentrated and clustered together, whereas on this one, on the second pour that we did, they're a little bit more evenly distributed. So back to the first one that we did, like the purple is a little bit concentrated on this side, the coral is very concentrated here, teal and light blue. That is all because of the way that we poured. The second one that we poured, the colors are more evenly distributed throughout the painting, so it's a very different look with these two compared to each other. And it's completely a personal preference as to which way you want to do. It's fun to play around with. I'd be very curious to know which style you guys might prefer to see. These days I'm actually leaning a little bit more towards this one, whereas in the past I've usually done this style a little bit more, but more recently I'm going this way. But I'd be very curious to hear about your input. Do you see the same results when you do different, when you pour differently out of the cups, or does it look the same to you? I'd be very curious to know. So let me know in the comments below what you think. Be sure to check out these other videos for more.